as is a twice a year tradition, we're at Biscuit Head, nice breakfast place, huge, gigantic biscuits, and pretty much any topping that you want. But they have this awesome jelly bar that's like all homemade jellies. I always get like the apple chutney and the triple berry jelly and the apple jelly and the blueberry jelly and the cat scratch hot sauce and either fried chicken or when I'm traveling, I always like to try out different coffee shops. So preferably ones that roast their own beans. This place is highly reviewed. I always go to new places and search for pour-over coffee. Everyone has espresso. Every donut shop has espresso, but very few have pour-over coffee. And that's usually my way to find the most hipster places. So this looks pretty cool. Let's go check it out. And now we're at Europort in Asheville, North Carolina, getting my handlebars tightened and my tires looked at for some balance issues. Well, no charge for that service. And this is no longer moving. I could have fixed this at home pretty easily, but I don't have any tools with me, believe it or not. They really like the bike, of course. They said it was really nice. Every modification in the book, except for suspension, which is on its way. All right, well, we're gonna head back to North Carolina now, or up northwest North Carolina, and get at it. Thank you. You guys are doing amazing work. Thank you. Yes, sir. Keep it up. We are at the Fontana Dam. It's amazing to see it here without all the golfers in attendance. So usually it's a bunch of, well, not usually, once a year it's all the R32 crowd, but not now. They're coming up in 2 weeks. Well, next week, I think, next weekend. So which one do I try?
But this one is this
Both-
one
both-
is
both-
this
both?
one is same. Okay.
Both with ice?
Yes, so you can try. The other one is not good.
I'm sure they're both great.
But one is from Vermont and one is from, I don't know, courant des bois, c'est fait où? C'est au Québec.
Okay.
Oui, mais où au Québec?
It's like syrup. Oh, that was way better. That has more like amaretto and hazelnut flavor.
Maple syrup. Taste maple syrup.
Yeah.
Tastes like milk.
I'll drink